how to make killer guacs. For starters, find the perfect avocado. Avocados from Mexico are healthy, delicious, and always worth it. Avocados from Mexico is on track for a record-breaking year of import volume of avocados, with an estimated 141 million pounds of avocados to be imported in the 3 weeks leading up to Cinco de Mayo, meaning plenty of avocados for your Cinco de Mayo fiesta. If you're shopping a day or two ahead, which is what I recommend, find the ones that yield to gentle pressure and the skin looks almost pitch black. And store them in the fridge, because that means that they're ready for you and they'll wait for you in the fridge for 4 to 5 days. Now, if they're not quite ripe and they're hard when you give them a nice hold or they look too green, you can speed up the ripening process by placing the avocados in a brown paper bag with a banana or an apple. And then you can play and use your imagination. Anything goes. Fresh, tart, juicy pineapple paired with shredded sweet coconut flakes. It has habanero for heat, a little bit of lime juice. You can eat that with chips. This one has manzanilla olives, pickled jalapenos, capers, and then I cook a little bit of tomato with onion and garlic, and this gives it a really different seasoned taste. You can eat these with plantain chips. Ripe avocado with jalapeno Tabasco sauce. So this is feisty, but it's fun. With lime juice, fresh tomatoes, and onion. You can eat that with chips or veggie sticks. For more recipes, go to avocadosfrommexico.com.